Guys, so this is the Scape camera you can see here. This is specially from Uber, and right now Uber is offering 3 trips to earn $70 before Monday, before August 26. Okay, and right now is August 10. So I'll unbox this and show you how I connect. And this is 360 camera for 4K for your car, and I paid it with the payment system. They will cut $5 each month from Uber. Here is the box, guys. Very nice box, and mostly it is to record the Uber ride, so Uber people can tell in case of any incident. There is the box, guys, and this is the camera. Wow, it's very nice. Films before use. Okay. Alright, guys, so I can see something. I'm not sure what it is. It's like a power button. Let's see what's inside. Let's see a manual. It's a dual camera dash cam that cover front and back. They gave me this vehicle is equipped with the Scape dash cam. Basically, keep it safe in your car or whatever it is. Alright, two. Okay. It's the manual dash cam. And there is a alcohol wipes. This is the power cable connector. This looks like a remote or something. This is just to adjust the cables. Look at this, guys. This is the connector, and they gave these so you can use for USB purpose. This goes right in. Right. Now I'm gonna download the app. Here is the app, guys. It's like a QR code, and I already have downloaded. Okay. Scan QR code. Alright, I'll scan. Nice job. Here is the instruction. Plug me in, turn on your car, put the provider power. Yeah. Okay. Right now, continue. Prepare your windshield. Okay. Connect. We'll also remove this. 10 minutes to this cam to start. Alright, got it. So guys, this LED means one of the road camera. Green when camera is recording, green when cabin camera when cabin is recording, yellow when it's getting ready, and red when it is turning off. With this camera you should be able to see from last 3 months. It's a good thing. Guys, I just removed the back, so I'll put it like this. This is my camera. Easily I can access power. So guys, now I can see the live preview, road camera, and inside, and live camera from like preview here from the help. You see some videos that I requested. So I have 1 minute here, 1 minute here. I can delete it. Live location. So it's a great feature, guys. If you guys wanna buy one, that's up to you. Uber, pretty much you want your safe Uber ride. That's why I am interested, and I'm gonna keep using it. And it's a new thing from Uber. I'm still learning, and the trips that I made so far, 3 trips, and pretty much all the trips are individual. Guys, this camera can record without power. You can see no connection with any electricity, and it's still recording. And you can see live. Let's see, I put my hand on my ear. Yeah, so it's a great camera, guys. I like it so far, and you can track all the trips, which is a really cool thing. Where you are going, where you came, road, and everything. So if you're doing Uber, it's the best camera, guys. And thank you so much, guys. If I wanna make a second video on it after using couple days, maybe, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.